Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking some comma separated values and splitting them out and making it a little bit easier to work with. So what we have here is also known as a CSV. You can see long string of text separated by commas, right? So what you want to do to clean this up is select the entire column, pop over to the data ribbon, come into text to columns, and then you're going to want to split by your delimiter being a comma, and then now we have our nice clean data set here. Call duration, agent, supervisor, site name. So with this data now, we can clean it up even further by putting some borders around it. We could add a filter to the top by hitting Control Shift L on the desired range. So if you select this range and hit Control Shift L, that'll actually apply a filter to the entire selection here. So then we could filter these from A to Z, highest to lowest call volume. These are just quick and easy items that you might want to do with some raw data here to clean it up a little bit, get it polished, if you will. Other than that, that's really about it for the CSVs. To get it in a usable format, come back, check out the next video. Next one, I'm going to hit on a pivot table with this same data set.